Students, we are in 10th chapter, that is Introduction to Computer Networks. So yearly we finished the Introduction to Computer Networks, then we finished their generation, that is your growth, then we finished uses of computer networks, and then we finished in which area and all computer networks are used. And by today we are going to have the topic, it is your social application. We are going to have the topic in social application. Okay, ma? So you people name some of the social media that you people know. Yes, you people are very much familiar with the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and that's all. Why you people are in need of this media? Why you people are in need of social media? Yes, for very fast and easiest way. It is an easiest way to cover all the people. So only you people are in need of social media. So if you examples, few to known are WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and many examples you people are having. Okay, ma? So these are the familiar examples for you. These are some familiar examples for you people. So why you people are in need of social network media? It is very fast and it is an easiest way to cover all the people, and it is an easiest way to cover all the people. So why you people are in need of social media? First itself I told you people, it is very fast and it is the easiest way to cover. So again you people will be having another one point. So by means of that we can share our thoughts. By means of that you people can share your thoughts. Okay, but you can share your thoughts. Thoughts will be in which format? It will be in different format for you. Some will be expressing that one in figures. Some will be expressing their thoughts in yes, by means of any letter or by means of English poems, like that they will be expressing their thoughts. So they will be expressing their thoughts in different formats. So the formats can be in pictures or in images, or it can be in what? Or it can be in, yes, text format also. Okay, va? So by means of different formats and different file size, and they will be expressing that in different file size. Okay, va? So we can't restrict the people. நீ 10 1 GB குள்ள தான் போடணும், இல்ல இப்ப 1 KB MB குள்ள தான் நீ சேவ் பண்ணணும். Like that we can't restrict. Okay, va? So here we will be sharing our thoughts in different formats and in different files. Okay, va? Different file size. Clear? Yes, next we can see the next one. It is how social networks share several attributes. It is going to share some several attributes. Some attributes they are going to share in common. So in that, the first one, it is your membership. First one, it is your membership. What do you mean by membership? For example, you people assume that you people are going to open an account in Facebook, or you people are going to open an account in Twitter, or you are going to have an email ID. What the first process it will be moving on? Yes, it will be asking for you people to register your details. It will be asking you people to register your details. Okay, ma'am? So under that, what and all you people will be entering? Yes, you will be entering your name, then your address, your gender, like that it will be going on. So they will be asking your personal details. So they will be asking your personal details, and by that they are making you people as a member of their team. They are making you people as a member of their group. Okay, ma? So here the registration requires registering your name, your accounts. Why they are in need of that? Yes, first it is to avoid duplicate. ஏன்னா ஒரே பேர்ல நிறைய பேர் என்டர் பண்ணி ஏதாவது இது பண்ணிடக்கூடாதுல்ல. ஸோ ஃபார் த பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் அவாய்டிங் டூப்ளிகேஷன் யூ பீப்புள் ஹாவ் டு என்டர் யுவர் நேம், தட் டீடைல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல். அண்ட் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் யுவர் சீக்ரசி. சீக்ரசி மீன்ஸ் ஸோ சீக்ரெட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஓகேவா? So avoid duplication and secrecy. You all need to enter your name and your account details. So many public networks are offering free registration. They are offering free registration for you people. Free registration. Similarly, some charges are available for advanced version, for example premium services and all, they will be asking for they will be asking for charges for you. So if you are going to install basic thing means they will not ask charges for you, just it will be a free registration. When you people are moving to a premium means advanced step, means they will be asking charges for you. Okay, some of the private networks also register their registration, how they will be how they are going to restrict them. So just by means of satisfying some certain criteria means some certain eligible condition only, they will make that person as their member. So under membership, why you people are going to enter your details means, so to avoid duplicate and secrecy. Okay, so your details must be secret, it must not be duplicated for that person, for that reason. And the next one, it is going to give free registration for you. Free registration, you people can enter everything for free. Okay, for which one they are giving free registration? If it is a basic application means it is a free for you. If you are prompting for another one, advanced version or advanced or extra settings in that application means it will be asking for charges. In some other, that is your private network and all, some other private network, they will restrict means they are going to control the registration by means of what? Yes, by means of certain eligible criteria. If the person satisfy the given condition only, they will be able to register in that account. Okay, clear with the first one? First attribute, it is your membership. Yes, next we are going to see the next one. It is your next it is your content contribution. So next it is your content. What do you mean by content? So what else matter that you people are going to write? That is your content contribution. So this is your second one. Already we finished membership. The next one, it is your content contribution. So here the networks allow members to easily share their details. They are allowed to easily share their comments, and the next, movies or music or what else they need, they can share it very easily. Okay, so content contribution is nothing but content na enadhu, nee edavadhu or letter eludha popuriya adula body of the letter nu solnomna, so that is called as your content. So many network allow their members, the person those who are registered in that one, okay members to share comments, movies, music, short films or photos. What else they are willing, they can share with others. So that is with your content contribution. And the next one, you people are going to have the next one. It is your frequent return visit. Frequent return visit. What do you mean by that one? By the name itself, it is very clear. So if, for example, you people assume a single website is more attractive for you people and you are willing to always visit that one, so frequently you will be browsing that one. So that is your frequent return visit. It is your frequent return visit. Here, healthy social net takes a center around a base of members who check in regularly. They are going to check that website regularly. Why they are going to check that one? Some information they will be having that to be more valuable. Some information will be more valuable, or the pictures or the way they have presented their content will be more attractive. So only the persons are going to frequently visit that one. So that's with your frequent return visit. And the next one, you people are going to have the fourth one. Yes, the fourth one is human relationship building. The next one, it is your human relationship building. What do you mean by this one? Yes, here by means of this one, yes, relationship between the persons are built. The relationship between the persons are built. So here the main common goal is allowing the interaction between the communities of peoples. The main goal is to provide interactions between the people. The main goal of this social media is to provide interaction between people. So clear with this way? So these are the common attributes that are found in Yes, social media. The first one it is your, I'm writing here, okay ma. The first one it is your membership. The next one, so here you will be having common registration. So simple to say ma. What else application you people are going to use means, for example, you people are going to have your WhatsApp or your Twitter or your Facebook. What else you people are going to have? Twitter and all, no? For that, what is common? Registration is more common. That is your membership. The next one, it is going to allow the persons to share their content. That is your allowing the members of the team to share their content. That is your content contribution. And the next one, it is your frequent return visit. So when you people are using the Facebook or what else, you people will be frequently visiting that and checking that one. So that is your frequent return visit. And the next you people are having the next one, human relationship building. What do you mean by this one? Yes, just by means of this social media, we are going to have the interaction between the people. Just the main goal or the common goal is to make the interaction between the people. So these are the common 4 attributes that are seen under social media. So without these 4, there is no chance to have a social media. Okay ma? Extra attributes you people will be having, but these 4 are the main for you. These 4 are the main for you. Yes, next we are going to see the usefulness of social networks. Yes, next we are going to see the usefulness. Usefulness of social networks. Yes. So just now we finished the attributes, and next we are going to have the usefulness. How these social networks are useful for us. So just you people to say, why you people are using the Facebook or Twitter? Yes, just for fun and just for enjoyment and just to relax, you people are using this social network. So beside these one, many are using this social network for their benefits. Many are using this social network for their benefits, and they are using it in a useful way. They are using it in a useful way. So first we can see there it is going to give a group information. It is going to give group information. It is going to give, the first one it is going to give group information sharing over long distance. It is going to give group information sharing over long distance. So why you people are using a social network? Whether that distance is any barrier, அதாவது தூரங்கிறது அது எதுக்கு தடையா இருக்குமா? தடையாவே இருக்காது. நீ எந்த இடத்துல இருந்துட்டு எங்க நீ இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அனுப்பலாம்னு என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? அழகா அனுப்பிக்கலாம். So simple example to say is, you people can share your photo with your group, your family members. For example, simple example is in your WhatsApp and all, you will be having your group, no? So group means, for example, your family members will be forming a simple group for you, okay, a single group. So in that, one will be posting his or own memories, photos or videos that will be viewed by other members of the family. So just by one of them sending the information, others are able to see the content. Don't forget, distance is not a matter here. At wherever they are to be in the world, at each and every corner, they are able to receive the information. Just they need to be connected. They must be in their net connection. So just by means of social network, they are able to be connected. And the next one, it is your broadcast announcement. What do you mean by that one? What do you mean by announcement? If they are going to inform something, so that is called as your announcement. So announcement will be given to a single person or a many person. Yes, announcement will be given to a group of persons. Why they are going to announce? Yes, for example, if some organization or some stores or shopping complex are going to give some free or offer, they will be announced. So simply to tell, if there is any natural disaster means it will be announced by the government. For that and all, they are going to use the social network. They are going to use the social network. So by means of this one, it is spread very fastly throughout their area. It is very fastly passed throughout their area. Venues and local shops they can advertise the upcoming events on the social network. For example, ஏதாவது புது கடையில் நான் இந்த ஆஃபர் போடுறேன், இல்லை some new products I am going to have னா அதெல்லாம் அவங்க எதில் அட்வர்டைஸ் பண்ணிடலாம்? They can advertise that on their social network. Similarly, business persons are able to market their products directly to the customer. They are able to market their product directly to the customer. So for that only they are using your broadcast announcement. Okay, wow. And the next two people are going to have the next one. It is fostering diversity. Fostering diversity in thoughts. In thought. What do you mean by diversity? Yes, something will be divided for you. பிரிஞ்சு இருக்கும், சரியா? So already நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போது why you people need a social media ன்னு சொன்னேன், to express your thoughts in different formats and different size. You people are in need of social media ன்னு சொன்னேன், ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Yes. So many will be sharing their information. அவங்க சிலரோட மனசுல தோன்றது எல்லாத்தையும் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஸோ பொதுவாக இருக்கிற கருத்தை குறித்து ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிடுவாங்க. அப்போ அதை ஷேர் பண்ணும்போது some will accept that one and some will reject that one. ஒருத்தங்க ஒரு குறித்து கருத்து சொன்னாங்கன்னா நான் எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணிக்கிட மாட்டாங்க, ஆமான்னு தலையாட்டி கேட்டுக்கிட மாட்டாங்க. Many will be rejecting that and few will be accepting that. அப்போ அங்கே என்ன நடக்க போகுது, அக்செப்ட் ஆனவங்க எல்லாம் ஒரு டீமாக இருக்க போகிறாங்க, எதிர்த்தவங்க தட் இஸ் ஆர்கியூ பண்ணவங்க ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணவங்க எல்லாரும் another டீமா இருக்க போறாங்க. அப்போ here only few thoughts are going to be together. அப்போ ஒரே தாட்ல இருக்கிறவங்க ஒன்று போல ஆகுறாங்களா, அடுத்த தாட்ல இருக்கிறவங்க அங்கே போறாங்களா, அப்போ ரெண்டு குரூப் ஆகி here what is going on, some personal attacks வருதா, நீ சொன்ன கருத்து தப்பு, நீ சொன்னது தப்பு, like that they are going to have a hard argument. So that is called as your flame wars. So how you people can define the flame war is, when we have a mixed group of people coming together online, many discussion arise which lead to personal attacks. So I repeat, when we have mixed group of people coming online, that is coming together on the online, what is going to have, many discussion will arise and it will lead to personal attacks. So that is called as your flame wars. So just now we finished the usefulness of social networks. Under that, what else we finished? Yes, the first one, it is your group information sharing over long distance. Next one, it is your broadcast announcement. And the next one we finished, fostering diversity of thought. In that, another important one we discussed, flame wars. What do you mean by flame wars? Yes, when we have mixed group of people coming together online, many discussion arise which lead to personal attacks. அவங்களோட பர்சனலான காரியங்களை குறித்து என்ன பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க, பேச ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க. So that is called as your flame wars. So clear with the topic? So these are the usefulness. Similarly, we have finished the attributes also. So finally, to conclude, what do people can tell? So when many people are stuck on their busy schedule, so to relax and to overcome the stress and all, they are in yes, social network, that is your social media. Similarly, they can get the current news. So first two people, yes, they can relax. So the next one, they can get their current news, that is your current affairs. And the next, they can get their news. What else information they need, or what else currently going around the world, everything they can get by means of what? By means of social network. So by means of this one, everyone are close together. They are close together, and they are always having touch with their follower and with their lovable person. So clear with the topic that we have discussed by today. So by today we finished the social application. Under that, first we finished attributes. Under that, 4 you people are having. First one, it is your membership. The next one, it is your content contribution. Next one, it is your frequent return visit. Next one, it is your human relationship building. And next we finished usefulness of social networks. Under that, the first one, it is your group information sharing. Next one, broadcast announcement. Next one, it is your fostering diversity in thought. And in that, we finished the definition for flame wars. So finally, to conclude, why you people are in need of social network? Yes, to relax from the tension or from the busy schedule, to know the current affairs, and to have the news. For that and all, everyone are in your social network. They are in their social network. So clear with the topic that we have discussed by today. Similarly, what else we have completed yearly? Yes, first we finished the definition for computer network. So what is your definition for computer network? Yes, here I repeat, listen. A set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resource is called as computer network. Next it is your computer networking. Similarly, we finished nodes. Node means, yes, computer connected on the network is called as your nodes. Next we finished the history. It begins in the, just used for the purpose of government research. That we finished. Next, what else we finished? Yes, next we finished, yes, common uses of computer networks. Next we finished uses of computer networks. In that, what else we finished? Yes, first one, it is your communication. Next, it is your resource sharing. Next, it is your data sharing. Yes, first it is your communication. Next, data sharing. Next, resource sharing. And the next, it is your money savings. So these and all we have discussed it. Yes, next we finished network in business. N/W means network. Okay, one network in business. The next one is network in home. Here it will be of 2. What are they? Wired. And the next one, it is your wireless. Okay, wow. And the next one, it is your network, that is your mobile network. Okay, wow. Mobile network. Similarly, next we finished social application. So here mobile network, we finished the features. Similarly, the last one, it is your social applications. In the last one, it is your social application. So in between, we finished the disadvantages of internet. Disadvantages also. What are the disadvantages you people are having? Yes, simply wastage of time. Here you people can have that one. Here, disadvantage. What are they? Yes, simply wasting your precious time. And the next one, it is going to give lot of unnecessary information. And the next, hackers and virus can easily take away your valuable things. They can take away with your valuable things. So clear with the topic. What else we have discussed? Yes, so we are in chapter 10, that is your introduction to computer networks. Yes, thank you students.